हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू दिस SIDTM व्लॉग। मेरे साथ आज ये सब स्टॉलवर्ड बैठे हैं। बाय द वे बहुत जबरदस्त है। जैक 97 फोड़ा, स्नैप में 97 फोड़ा, इसने भी स्नैप में 97 फोड़ा। अगेन 97 प्लस प्लस परसेंटेज इसने फोड़ा स्नैप में। एंड शी हैज गॉट इनटू एक्सेस दिस स्ट्रेटजी फॉर हर समर इंटर्नशिप एट नियर 86 परसेंटाइल। तो भाई हम आज इनसे बात करने वाले हैं एंड वी गोना आस्क देम लाइफ इन SIDTM। माय क्वेश्चन टू यू, 97 97 97 आपका आया। आई एम वेरी श्योर आपके पास ऑप्शन होगा। तेरा लास्ट ईयर 98 आया था, तब तुझे SIBM पुणे एंड SIBM स्टडी का कॉल आया था। बट इस बार स्नैप में डिफिकल्ट आया तो कम आ गया, दैट्स ओके। सो यू हैड SIIB एंड SIBM बैंगलोर का ऑप्शन। द क्वेश्चन आई एम आस्किंग यू दिस बिकॉज बहुत सारे बच्चे ना, जब हम स्नैप फॉर्म भरते हैं तो टिपिकल रैंकिंग फॉलो करते हैं। SIBM पुणे, SIBM स्टडी, ये दो दिग्गज है, नो डाउट अबाउट इट। फिर SIIB हम मार्क करते हैं, फिर SIBM बैंगलोर हम मार्क करते हैं बाय डिफॉल्ट। फिर सोचते हैं SIDTM करें या फिर एनी अदर कॉलेज करें। But you guys left those colleges. Tell me why and why did you join SIDTM? Who wants to go first? Ladies first. Sujata.
So I had SIOM.
Oh.
So I chose SIDTM instead of SIOM because the curriculum has a perfect blend of
Okay.
technology and management both, whereas SIOM is more focused on operations. So this was more aligned to my background. That's why I chose SIDTM.
You are an engineer or a non-engineer?
I'm an engineer.
You are an engineer. Okay. And it aligns to your background as in what you expect, from SIDTM eventually. What sort of profile you're looking for?
Yes, so I have a BTech degree in information technology.
Okay.
Post which I have a 3-year work experience as a
Oh.
software engineer.
Nice.
So
Nice. Okay.
what this college focuses on is digital transformation and emerging technologies, which is what attracted me.
Okay. Okay. Fantastic. She stressed on what attracted me. So coming back to you, तेरा एक्सेल का भी मेरे ख्याल से कॉल बोल आ चुका था, है ना? सो यार देख, नॉर्मल क्वेश्चन जो बच्चा पूछेगा तो वेट कर लेता और एक साथ। ऐसा क्या तुम्हें डिटेल में दिखा कि नहीं केतन सर इस बार हम लेने ही वाले हैं किसी भी हाल में, अपार्ट फ्रॉम माय वीडियोस? गो अहेड।
So sir, this was my second attempt for the MBA courses.
Okay.
And I realized कि पूरे time wait करना. So that is something which I wasn't ready to give because I feel that will be going a lot from in the case of ROIs and different things.
Right.
And at the same time, I have a work experience in HR domain. Even though I'm a BTech background, I have a work experience in HR domain, and I realized that the companies are starting to require more techno managers rather than simple managers. And like Sujata said, that the DTM provides you both a proper blend of technology as well as managerial aspect.
Right.
That is what I would say was a major key aspect.
By the way, just one thing I'll add in here. So, we also interviewed, admissions head of SIDTM, and what we got to know today is 70% जो आपका प्रोग्राम है वो कोर MBA है। मतलब जो बाकी बच्चे पढ़ रहे हैं ना मार्केट में, आप SIDTM में आप वही पढ़ने वाले। तो ऐसा नहीं कि नीश है, मतलब 70% कुछ अलग ही पढ़ा रहे, and 30% core. So it's not like that. 70% you'll be learning core, and 30% you'll be learning, AI and other technologies, etc., etc. So that's a good insight for you guys. Over to you. Anything you want to add?
So that is was the second thing which I felt is more very unique to SIDTM.
Okay.
And one thing more that I think many people think that SIDTM is only for engineers. So we have a non-engineer, and the best thing about it is that we have bridge courses which are properly aligned with our courses, which are regular classes.
Right.
So no one feels left out during the entire program.
Right. So guys, what are bridge courses? Like हर एक कॉलेज का अपना अपना concept होता है। Symbiosis में उसको bridge courses कहा जाता है। So let's say if you are a non-engineer, you will be given support to learn, technical subjects, etc., etc. And let's say for an engineer, then you'll get some support to learn, economics वाले subjects and finance वाले subjects, something like that. तो इससे आपका ना foundation काफी strong हो जाता है, and then you don't struggle, by the way. So that's the bridge courses. Yeah.
So one more thing is that we also know that finance is very important in our day-to-day lives. And here at SIDTM, we have compulsory finance as a minor subject.
Right.
That is something which gets added on to yourself.
Okay, cool. Now, my question to you, you're a non-engineer, you can pick that mic, by the way. Now, interestingly, you are a non-engineer, you are coming to SIDTM. A lot of folks out there, they don't know कि यार मैं non-engineer हूँ, मैं क्यों जाऊँ SIDTM. So my first question to you is, why SIDTM? But even before that, why SIDTM over and above SIIB and SIBM Bangalore? The reason is, it's a typical ranking that has been there since so many ages now, right? But I always say that it's SIBM Pune, SIBM HRD, and then probably SIDTM should be an option. So what was your thought process?
So, sir, when I had converted all the colleges in the first merit list itself, and when
Oh,
I
okay.
weighed down the options, I realized that first for the batch size, our batch size is comparatively काफी कम than the
Which is
other
150.
150.
Okay.
So number one is that. Number two, a lot of the quality of placements we have. A major chunk of our batch is going to get placed in the consulting sector, and that is one sector which I am really inclined towards. So that's also one of the major reasons why I picked DTM over the other two colleges.
Any specific profile or anything, you know, that probably attracted you towards DTM? Because you might have had this question, right?
Yeah.
Okay, being a non-engineer, you know, how I'm going to survive in the competition? Because people feel, it's a myth by the way, you know, कि बहुत ही ज़्यादा tech होता है यहाँ पे, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, normal चीज़ भी पढ़ाई जाती है. What was your thought process on that front?
So, sir, my major thought process was that technology is the next best thing. So,
Absolutely.
whatever roles we have finance roles, but there's a lot of technology integrated to that. So, we have fintech roles, we have martech roles coming up. So, I think I have always had an inclination towards these kind of roles.
Okay, so at 97, you could have taken 1 more year gap, prepared well. Again, this is not I'm saying, this is what the students think about. कि अगर मेरे को 97 आया है, मैं रुक जाता हूँ और मेहनत करता हूँ, probably, you know, BM Bangalore या फिर IB चले जाता हूँ. So what was your thought process that point in time? कि DTM में जाके भी ये मुझे मिल सकता है या नहीं? Like, what was the reason?
So, I had already converted Bangalore
Right.
and SIB, and I have prioritized DTM over those colleges. So,
Okay.
I do feel कि जो भी DTM offer करता है, it's actually really good,
Okay.
and definitely the curriculum.
Right.
The curriculum is great, and me being a non-engineer, I can vouch for this that even if you are not non-engineer, you can definitely cope up with it.
Okay. So it's been like 4-5 months now
Yes,
in
5
the
months.
college.
Yeah.
Are you able to cope with the subjects?
Definitely, sir.
अच्छा, तो ऐसा नहीं कि नॉन इंजीनियर नहीं कर पाएंगे भाई, है ना? कर पाएंगे. Remember to you.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, how are you?
Good, sir.
97 percentile in Snap. Why SIDM?
So let's put it that way.
Huh.
So someone who's targeting SRBM or CMA charity, so so who's giving the snap in December. So so the first preference is SRBM and SMA charity. And
Huh,
I was
right.
also confused for my third preference.
Right.
So I went to all the colleges. I came across a video on the YouTube.
Right.
We were discussing about the SIDM. Then I went to the website of SIDM and got to know about the 5G IoT and the AIP.
Oh, you are an engineer.
Yes, I'm an engineer. I had a 1 year of work experience in UX design. So yeah, so I got to know about these things. So yeah, so I went to the website and got to know about these things and decided that this could be a thing for me because SIDM is the only platform where I will get the technology roles. Like
Right.
consultant companies are coming on the campus. So we have 3 specializations: marketing and finance,
Okay.
system finance, and analytics and finance. So finance is compulsory in the SIDM. So so the most of the companies are just preferring the fintech roles.
Okay.
So that is why I chose the SIDM over the SIMS and the SLM.
Right. So I think that's going to be the next thing, you know, wherein the tech cuts through everything. So there is no specialization for product management or consulting, you know, likewise. But consulting and product management cuts through everything. Finance में भी product man है, marketing में भी है. Likewise, technology cuts through everything. You know, you've got martech here, you've got fintech here, etc., etc. So it's good for engineers also. It's good for non-engineers also. Okay, now let's talk about Snap a little bit.
Yeah.
So you guys scored 97 percentile, right? Plus, right? कितने attempts लगाए थे आपने? Genuinely बताना. 1 attempt, 2 attempt, 3 attempt. कितने attempt थे?
So since I've been part of your course, so I know that the good thing about Snap is it gives you an opportunity to correct your mistakes.
Right.
So
Absolutely.
I took that opportunity and give all the 3 attempts. And I had a balanced, I would say, score across all the 3 attempts. But the best thing I like about Snap is the normalization processes, and that is the reason I was like more focused that I should go for 3 attempts.
Okay. So tell me, ये जो highest आया तुम्हारा 97 plus, ये first में आया, second में आया, third में आया?
So it came in the 3rd attempt.
Oh, okay. ठीक है. What about you?
So about me also, जो मेरा highest score है, that came in the 3rd attempt. And to whoever who is appearing for Snap this year, my advice would be to just appear for all the exams. If you have that kind of an exam chapter, you get this flexibility. Best score will be counted. I think you should go ahead and take that chance.
Right. How many attempts you took for CAT? Sorry, how many attempts you took for Snap?
I also took 3 attempts.
All 3 attempts.
All the
Okay.
3 attempts.
Okay.
Yeah.
And the best was in the third one or the first one?
The third one.
Acha. Okay. What about you?
So I gave all 3 attempts. But my story is little different. I got
Okay.
my best score in first attempt.
अच्छा, तो फर्स्ट में आ गया, फिर बाकी दो में थोड़ा सा डाउन हो गया. Okay, fair enough. So I think this is the advantage of SNAP exam. So imagine करो अगर आप CAT exam दे रहे हो जो साल में एक ही बार होता है, तो भाई आपको 3 साल रुकना पड़ता है 3 अटेम्प्ट के लिए. SNAP बोलता है एक ही महीने में 3 अटेम्प्ट लगाओ, बेस्ट ऑफ द स्कोर्स आपके लेंगे एंड आपका कॉलेज डन एंड डस्टेड है. So I think that's the important thing. Now let's talk about the preparation strategy. पहली बात ये मुझे बताओ कि lot of people feel that 60 मिनट का एग्जाम है, 60 क्वेश्चन है, ऐसे जाएंगे ऐसे आएंगे करके फटाफट. Do you really believe it's an easy exam? Who wants to go first? You?
Yeah. So sir, I believe that it's an easy to moderate kind of an exam.
Okay.
It is easy, but at the same time, to get a good score in SNAP, it demands practice.
Right.
You need to know what's the pattern. You should attempt at least 20 mocks, and
Okay.
you should be your speed. It's a speed-based exam.
Okay.
You have to be fast.
Okay.
I would say there is a misconception that SNAP is an easy exam, but it's not. So yeah, difficulty level questions is easy, but the time factor is also there in SNAP. So you have to
Okay.
attempt 60 questions in 60 minutes, so which is not a very easy task. So I would suggest give in more and more mocks and practice PYQ questions.
अब सब लोगों का कैट अच्छा गया था या कैट ठुक गया था? जेन्युइनली बताना. ये तो लेजर ठुक गया था. सही है. तो 97 परसेंटाइल लाना कितना डिफिकल्ट था? इट्स अ रिस्पेक्टेबल नंबर. 97 इज अ रियली गुड नंबर टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट. इट्स अ वेरी गुड परसेंटाइल. तो कैट के बाद आप जब थोड़े से डीमोटिवेट हो गए कि यार पता नहीं क्या होगा वगैरह, हाउ डिड यू गाइस बाउंस बैक? बिकॉज आई मीन कैट के बाद यू जस्ट गेट 1 वीक टू प्रिपेयर फॉर स्नैप. हाउ डिड यू गाइस बाउंस बैक आफ्टर दैट?
So, sir, in my case, I happened to realize it fast that CAT is not the end of my life.
True that.
And that is the reason I thought that the SNAP is giving me another chance to move on in life, and at the same time do almost equally well. So that is the reason I thought that I have to change my gear and move forward for the preparation of SNAP. And again, like I said, it gives you multiple attempts for your rectifying your mistakes and actually go over your own think about yourself what you did better in the last time. And
True.
so that is something which I feel helped me score 97 plus in SNAP.
Okay. Sujal, I'll come back to you. Okay. So you made it to Accent strategy, right? It's a big company. You'll be working with IIM Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Cal folks, right? It's a different experience altogether. But when you mentioned that it's just 86 percentile, right? So that's the beauty of this college, that even at 80, 90, 95, whatever percentile that you have, you can still gun for a company like Astract, which is Accent Strategy, जहाँ पे आप ABC KLI के बच्चों के साथ internship करेंगे. I've already made a lot of videos. You can check that also. What was in your mind? I'm at 86. Will I be able to crack these big giants? What was going on?
Yeah, I definitely had some amount of self-doubt because
Okay.
I had not been in touch with studies for 3 years.
Right.
because I was
This is the
working.
work, yeah.
So when I came here, it was a bit difficult for me to start fresh. But yeah, I started early. I guess I practiced frameworks for case studies.
Okay, all the consulting stuff.
Yeah.
Okay. So was it covered in the bridge course or something like? जब start किया यहाँ पे तो वो knowledge आ रहा था?
Yeah.
Classroom से.
The classrooms are the perfect place to learn
Okay.
maximum things,
Okay.
and the teachers are amazing because
ये सब लोग बोलते हैं. हर बच्चा बोलता है. Teachers are amazing. एक तो उधर ही बैठे teacher. ठीक है. Anything else you want to share with the, how does it feel now? Cracking Astract and it's a big company, big profile. How does it feel?
relaxed.
कि अभी हो गया, अभी chill मार सकते हैं.
Yeah.
Okay, I want somebody to pick this question. How's life in SIDTM? Is it very rigorous? Acads कर रहे हो, submissions हैं, ये तो marks काट देंगे वगैरह वगैरह. Because you guys are on Hilltop campus. This is ये बोल रहा था this is a real campus. And actually it is a real campus. You are surrounded by hills and all that. So it's a beautiful place to stay. But tell me something more about SIDTM. How's life? How does your day look like? Is it really rigorous या फिर chill एकदम आराम से आ रहे वगैरह वगैरह? How is it? Who wants to take this question?
It's really good actually. Like you get to go on walks after your dinner, and then actually you have to walk a lot here, which is a good thing.
Actually, it is a good thing.
And the view is amazing. You
Yeah.
get to see peacocks on
Oh, is it?
Sundays.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay.
A lot of birds.
A lot of birds, yeah.
Nice. Okay. Go ahead, go ahead.
So you're like surrounded by nature.
Okay. Okay. Yes.
So like at SIDTM, I think it's a good blend of easygoing and as well as rigorous. So during our
हाँ ऐसे तो नहीं होगा ना कि पूरा easy हो रहा है तो फिर
बिल्कुल
हाँ
भी नहीं है सर.
Right.
You have to wake up at night to do your assignments, but at the same time you have days where you can actually chill out with your friends. And like she said, we have a lovely campus, so we can actually walk around and leave our stress together.
Okay.
So also one thing I would like to add,
Hmm.
we have a pool,
Hmm.
we have a badminton court,
Nice.
so we have a basketball court as well. So we have all that kind of stuff. So of course, even if you are studying late, next day you can come, you can play those games, you can lighten up. So
Okay.
we have all this.
So I'm gonna hold on to you, and I want you to pick this question. How's the peer group?
Yeah.
Engineer, non-engineer, and people coming from different background. How's the peer group inside? Because you've not talked a lot about peer group actually.
So I would say that the peer group is really good. We have people coming in from diverse backgrounds. On this table also, I'm a non-engineer.
हाँ.
He is biotech.
हाँ.
They both are engineers. So I would say it's a great mix. And people from different backgrounds, all at the top of their classes. Like
Right.
a lot of people are coming from some great UG colleges. So I would say it's a great mix.
Okay. Anything else you guys wanna add in? नहीं बोल दिया. Okay.
Sir, what I feel is that even though like
Hmm.
I feel there are like distinctions that this is an engineer college, so they like engineers will be favored more.
It is not an engineer college by the way. ये 50-50 है. Non-engineer. हाँ ये myth है. ये बच्चों को लगता है.
But
That's right.
what I felt in the classroom is there is no distinction about
Right.
among ourselves. That okay, he might be knowing more because he's an engineer. Rather, it's more of a helpful nature. Like okay, for example, if subjects are like finance, she has more grip on. She'll help me, and there are the telecom subjects which I can help her with. Or they can help us with. So it's a great mix. And at the same time, sir, with the peer group, we also have other colleges. So we have great mix of.
हाँ. You can connect with SIM Pune folks, SSBF, and there is one more college.
SIMC.
हाँ, SIMC, yes, that's right. You can connect with SIMC also, right? How's the connect with your seniors? Seniors बैठे हैं यहाँ पे, bossing करते हैं.
Seniors are really good, and the main, I think the advantage. I wouldn't say advantage, but the main reason for connect is our committees. We have a lot of committees, I think around 12 or 13 committees and 6 clubs. So, and it's not like that. Even if I'm from one particular committee, I can't approach our seniors from others.
Okay.
So our seniors are really helpful, and they are really like more enthusiastic to guide us. in
Okay.
every aspect.
Okay, cool. Now let's go back, 6, 7, 8 months, okay? Wherein you were watching all the videos about SIDTM, doing some research, yada yada yada, and you guys had some doubts in your mind, okay? Now there are a lot of juniors out there. Even they must be having some doubts, engineer, non-engineer, etc., etc. Towards the end of this video, what sort of or what piece of advice you want to give it to them? Anything you want to share? Yeah, you can go ahead. That's okay.
Okay, so as of now, since we are still in November and STAP is approaching soon, so my advice is just be consistent with mocks, analyze those mocks, and I think good to go. And also, if possible, please write all the 3 exams.
Yeah, that's important.
I would suggest the same thing. Take as many mocks as possible because consistency is key here. And analyze them, learn from your mistakes. That helps a lot.
Okay.
And even if you don't do well in CAT, it's fine. It's not the end.
Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. Absolutely. You will not regret of not doing great in CAD. Man, come on. You'll be anyway, be working with the folks with 99.9 and etc. etc. So she's a real example, by the way. Go ahead.
Okay, so I would say be very clear with the basics and please focus on critical reasoning because most of the part of LR is coming from the critical reasoning.
किसकी वजह से critical reasoning?
Okay, sir.
Thank you so much. Yeah, go ahead.
Be consistent with the mocks. Please give at least 30 mocks because
30 mocks, okay.
30 mocks. I gave 25 mocks.
Wow.
Yeah. So practice all the PYQs and just practice and practice.
Perfect. Thank you so much, guys, for giving some time. Wish you all the very best. दो mic आ गए. Wish you all the very best for your future endeavors and बहुत अच्छी मेहनत करना and यहाँ पे अच्छी placement लेना. Guys, that's it from our side from SIDTM signing off. Thank you so much for watching this video.